Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about built-in function like map, filter, reduce, which are available in Python. So let's take one by one. The first one is map function. Map function is used to map each and every element on a list. By mapping, we can perform some modification on each and every element of a list. So let's take an example of map function. So if we want to get square of each element which are available in list, then how we can uh, get that list with square of each and every element? So for that we are using the variable called L1 and using map function, and map function is taking a two argument. First one is the taking a function as a first argument and second argument is list. Okay, so as I need to give function as an argument, so I am using lambda function. As we have seen, we can use the lambda function as an argument in higher order function. Okay, and I am passing the argument x, and I need to get square of each and every element. Then I can write like this. Okay, and put list variable. So these are the two argument which we need to pass in map function. Okay, first one is a function and second one is the list. So this our lambda function will perform square on each and every element of the list and return the square of each and every element. So let's print the L1 and see the result. So what will be the result? It will give us the map object as a result. So we need to convert this map object into the list. So we can get the list of elements like this. So as you can see, now our list L1, which is containing the square of each and every element which are present in the L1 L. Okay, so this is how you can use the map function to modify the available element in the list. Let's see the filter function. So why we are using filter function? If I want to get only odd number from this list, like I want to filter the odd number from this list, then we can use the filter function. So filter function also we need to convert that filter function into the list, because that will also return as the filter object. So filter function also we need to pass the two arguments same as the map. First one is the function and second one is the list. So as I need to get only odd number from the list, then my expression is like this: x modulo 2 not equal to 0 and L, and I will print my odd number list. Okay, so I need to pass that into the list itself, a filter function itself. So this is giving me a only odd number filtering from this list. So we have filtered the odd number from this list L, and which is printed in the output. So this is how you can use the filter function. And third one is reduce. Reduce function is used to reduce the output. If I want to sum this all this element which are available in the list, okay, then I can use the reduce function, so which will reduce the output of the list. So for reduce function we need to import function tool, and from function tool we can use the reduce function. To reduce function, if I want to get sum of these each and every element, then how can I do reduce? After that is this reduce function is also taking same argument lambda function, and you can use any function, not the lambda function, okay? But main thing is we need to pass the function at the first argument, and second argument we need to pass the list. So what will be our expression? X plus y. So how this reduce function will perform on this expression? So it will take the first two element 1 plus 2, and it will do the sum, and this sum will add into the next element, and that sum will add into the next element. So this is how it will work, and this reduce function will give us the result of sum of each every sum of all element, as you can see 36. Okay, if you are doing sum of this 8 element, then it will be 36. So this is how we can use the map filter and reduce function with lambda function, and you can use any function as a parameter for these functions. Okay, and I hope you have understood this concept of map filter and reduce built-in function which are available in Python. Thank you. See you in the next video.